Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to Jennifer Chris. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made my ponytail hair in no time, in less than 5 minutes. So keep watching. So today, we're going to be making our ponytail with this old 100% premium synthetic super bohemian hair. It's synthetic, but it's nice. Like, it's something you can work with. As you can see, it's really bouncy. Okay, so this is it, and this. I've done this. I've been doing it for a while now. So I just want to show you how it's done. All you need to do is go over my thread for like a couple of times to make it hard and firm. That's the word. I like to make it so it's firm so it doesn't come out. Okay, I'm sure you will not really be able to see what I'm doing here clearly, okay, but when I'm through you'll see. Okay, so as you can see, it's already taking shape. It's already taking shape, so back to you. And this is the last one. You can decide to either use all of the bundles in the park, or you use a few. Like, I personally, I like a hair that is really full. As you can see, this is already very full, but I don't mind using all the bundles in the pack. So this is the last one, and I'm going to add it to it because I want it to be really full. Okay, so it depends on what you want. You can use either 2-3 bundles in a pack, but I'm going to use all for a fuller look. Okay, this is not a tutorial video. This is not me trying to teach you how to make hair or ponytail or whatsoever. This is just me showing you how I get my hair done at home. Okay, so after finishing with the top, I'm gonna just turn it inside out. So this is the underneath, the part where it's gonna be on the hair. I'm just gonna turn it and then tie it here to make it firm and to make it last longer, so it doesn't just start losing all of a sudden. I want your hair to last. So this is it. This is what it looks like. Like, you can see the bounce. You can see the bounce. I'm loving my hair. Sorry.